Hello traders, the title of the video is how to review a prior Elliott wave count like an expert Elliott wave trader. Alright. So people talking about expert Elliott wave trading. People are talking about Mr. Robert Prechner, alright, of Elliott Wave International. Is considered as the expert Elliott Wave trader. Well, how can you review prior Elliott Wave count? First thing first, you may be wondering, oh, why should I review my Elliott Wave count? That's a very good question. All right. So children say, why? Why should I review my Elliott Wave count? All right. One of the reasons why we should review our Elliott Wave count is because sometimes you may count wave today, all right, and you validate your wave count, all right. If they give you the same chart tomorrow to review the chart, sometimes you may come up with a different wave count. Then they will say, oh, yesterday, Joe, you were saying that this is blah, 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 blah. But you may argue and say, oh, all right, there was no Elliott wave violation. All right. So the main reason why we review our prior wave counts is to avoid that we are using an Elliott wave count that is not valid, in fact. So we do not forecast the market, all right, wrongly. That's why we review our past wave count. The second reason why we should review our prior wave count is to see whether there are some changes, fundamental changes of the price structure. If there are fundamental changes, we will reorganize, so to speak, our Elliott wave count to take into consideration the new information that the price is providing to us, the new data. So I talked about that before. All right. So when you are about to review your past wave count, usually you will review past wave count that you have validated. So you go into the mind of other trader, you use different time frame, you are happy with your wave count, done and dusted. All right, job done, good. Now, few months down the line, you go back again and look at the same chart to see whether there are some changes, whether you should take new information into consideration, all right? So you do not miss anything. That's the whole point. So the whole purpose of reviewing your past Elliott wave count is so that you do not miss anything. Is there anything that you have missed before, or is there anything new? That's the question. All right. So looking at this chart, I'm reviewing my past wave count for the US dollar, Mexican peso. Peso or peso? Joe, it's not peso, it's peso. All right. I'm speaking with my American accent, please. Leave me alone. All right. All right. This to make you laugh a bit. So this is my first wave. This is my second wave. This was my third wave. This is my fourth wave. This was my fifth wave. So I'm looking today at this chart and I'm thinking, all right, what has changed? Have I missed something before? I'm still happy with my prior wave count. I'll go along with that. Is there something new? Yes. Can you see that? Can you see something new here? So my forecast using my prior wave count was that the price will be a clean cut zigzag like this. Down, up, and then down. Can you see that? All right. But what the price has done, the price did not do down, so it's stuck here. So it looks to me that the price is now showing a clear cut 1, 2, 3, which is not too bad. It's not a big change. It's just more information. So we see down, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Now 1, 2, 3. So we see now 1, 2, 3. So the minimum price move is free. So we have a good reason as an Elliott wave trader to look for an opportunity to sell here, because the minimum price move is free. The price, so when you are using the minimum price move is free, don't use it anyhow. Was the price at a key level? That's the best place to sell. Oh yes, George. They did sell it here before. And the price did 1, 2, 3 to where they did sell before. The first thing coming to our mind, we as die-hard bearish traders, we may be thinking to sell, yes or no. Because the story here before, we were not the first person to sell it. Somebody sold it there, they will be itching to sell again. Now minimum price is free, bringing it into the same zone. Well, look at that, they sold it down. That's what they're doing now. So looking at my prior wave count and review this wave count, what I will say now, you see this arrow that I pushed down here. Now I'll put it here. So I will say that's my expectation, you see. So again, that's my expectation. Move down 1, 2, 3, expecting it to go 1, 2, 3 down here. That is a technical analysis using the Elliott wave theory. We do not want to ignore the economy news and the fundamentals. So you see, now I have a new information, and also you see, that's why I say to today, place the pitchfork tool in the chart. One, lower point of the first wave, second point of the high of the first wave, low of the first wave. That pitchfork tool is still useful to us now. What is happening now? The price is telling me, because the price is out of that pitchfork tool, is telling me that, George, the bullish momentum is weakening. Another thing that is we can see here, after forming this higher low followed by a higher high. When we had this higher low here, the price failed to form a new higher high right there. It did fail. So this is telling me that the bearish momentum, the bullish momentum is diminishing. So that bearish momentum, that bullish momentum will become kaput with the price, okay, find a resistance below this low here. Come below that low and find a resistance. It's telling me, oh, George, it's becoming bearish. But remember this trainer here. There's a trainer here, the red one. You see? So all in all, we are at a tricky place because there is a support at 18319 for the dollar Mexican peso. George, not peso, peso. All right. There is a support level there, 18319. That's why I'm saying we are at a tricky place. So the price DB low, all right, the pitchfork tool, and retest the lower part of it for the resistance. Bearish traders are selling here. They are pushing it down. They want it to come down more. Elliott wave trader who did come their way like myself. So which means if you see so far, everybody agree with my wave count. That's what's going on now. Though I did expect it to come straight away down. They say, George, I'm not coming down straight away. 1, 2, 3 fast. So we say the Elliott wave count is one step at a time, and we do not want to assume anything, and we want to flow with the price. So when we are selling in a rising pitchfork tool, we need to be careful. That's why we use the pitchfork tool. So at this junction, another thing that I will add on my chart, if you are also trading this currency pair, is to place another pitchfork tool. That will be very useful to us. It's a powerful technical trading tool. It allows traders to determine the possible path that the price will take, and also to stop fighting the price, which means you don't want to sell it, okay, when it's in a bullish rising pitchfork tool. Or if you are selling it within the boundaries of a bullish pitchfork tool, you want to be careful, that's all. Right? Careful. I'm not saying that sometimes you can sell, but you need to be careful. So if we stay in this declining channel, now I have 2 pitchfork tools on the chart. For traders who do not know about Andrew's pitchfork tool, new traders, beginners, go to www.dayprotraders.com, grab your favorite coffee, all right, cafe latte, all right, or tea, and then go to dayprotraders.com, click on Andrew's pitchfork tools. So you also can know how to draw the Andrew pitchfork tool, most importantly, how to use it. So here it is, coming near this support level, tricky place, all right, to sell now. Because if you didn't sell it on the edge like these people, so you want to be careful. There's a support there. The price can still, remember, though our expectation is to complete this move down, don't forget, this is what I'm saying, all right? Don't assume anything. The price can find a support here, which means it can display a double bottom. At that point, you see there was a. I need to mention this, especially to new traders that are trading this, so you don't get carried away. It may form a double bottom here, which means it will, if it happen that way, it will go up again, or something like that, or go up to retest the edge of the P4 tool again, somewhere there, or somewhere here, whatever. Okay, forming a double bottom, going up a bit before, okay, coming down. Or it may not come down at all. You will just form a double bottom and then just leg it back inside the P4 tool. So if it goes back inside the P4 tool, be very careful. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to review prior Elliott wave count like an expert Elliott wave trader like Mr. Robert Preschner. All right, from Elliott Wave International. Are you an Elliott Wave expert? All right. Do you know how to review your past Elliott Wave count? What are you looking for when you are reviewing your past Elliott Wave count? All right, you are looking if, okay, there is a new data, okay, that you should take into consideration, something new, or is there anything that you have missed before when you were counting the wave? Those are the two things that you will take into consideration, something new, something have I missed. Those are the two things you will take into consideration when you are reviewing your past or your prior Elliott wave count. It's very, very important for traders to review the past wave count so they can stay tuned, so they don't make a wrong forecast, so they may align their wave count with the new reality of the financial market without ignoring the economy news and the fundamentals. Why do we review our past wave count? Well, also to see, all right, if everything, all right, is in place, all right, so we don't make a wrong forecast, all right. Our wave count is updated to the current reality of the financial market. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to review prior Elliott wave count like an expert Elliott wave trader. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, this is a useless recording, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can be useful to other technical Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, Facebook. All right? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to review prior Elliott wave count like an expert Elliott wave trader. Before you go away, have you subscribed to our channel? If yes, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, okay, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free. And click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you're watching this video on Facebook, all right, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are only a subscriber on our YouTube channel and you never know what we are doing on Facebook, we are also on Facebook, and our Facebook page is Stochastic MACD. All right. This video will be posted on our YouTube channel 24 Elliott Wave. Our YouTube channel is digit 2, digit 4. Elliott waves in plural, so 24 Elliott waves. As I'm talking about currency pair, dollar Mexican peso or peso, I want to introduce you also, for those of you who do not know this channel, all right, 24 Forex Trader. So the 24 Elliott wave is about talking about Elliott wave strategies. The 24 Forex Trader, some traders already are subscribers here. Thank you very much. Some of you do not know about it. So what is happening, some traders that are following us at George Trio YouTube channel, or 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel, or the Pro Traders YouTube channel, they do not know about this channel the 2-4 forex trader. But those traders are currency traders. If you consider yourself as a typical forex trader, you want to make sure that you also subscribe to 2-4 forex trader. So this is a shout out for this channel, publicity for this channel. So those of you who are interested in forex trading, you can come here and watch videos that can be useful to you. All right. So this is about 2-4 forex trader. But for Elliott wave trading, it's a 2-4 Elliott waves. I also post some time forex videos at the George Trio YouTube channel for Fibonacci trading, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, CCI trading, RSI. Okay, the channel is the Pro Traders YouTube channel. For those of you who consider yourself as a stock trader, you say, "Oh, I'm not interested in forex. In fact, I'm getting annoyed by this forex story. I'm a stock trader." All right, I respect your speciality. Please accept my apologies. So, if you're a stock trader, we have a channel for stock trader. I'm doing amazing. I like that channel very much, and I believe in the future of that channel. The channel for stock trading is 2-4 stock trader. So 2-4 Elliott wave, 2-4 forex trader, 2-4 stock trader. For those of you who are fully fledged stock traders. Now, for some of the traders that have subscribed to all of our channel, I know some of you did. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for subscribing to our channel, for putting up with my funny accent and all my blah blah blah. Thank you very much. And also those of you who are putting constructive comments, this is a good time to say to you, thank you for your contribution, for your suggestion. All right. For those of you who has been very, very bad YouTubers, all right, annoy me on YouTube sometime. All right, try to be nice to me. All right, for the first time in your life. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to review prior Elliott wave counts like an expert Elliott wave trader. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.